Let's start with new chapter, chapter 6, electromagnetic induction, class 12th physics. First topic is magnetic flux. What is magnetic flux? Magnetic flux is proportional to the number of magnetic field lines passing through the surface. हमारे पास surface है, इसमें क्या है, number of lines passing through the surface making an angle theta. We have A and B. Mathematically, phi equals to B dot A vector where B A cos theta. Let equation first. Phi B क्या होता है? Phi B is magnetic flux through a plane surface of area A. A क्या हो जाएगा? Area placed in a uniform magnetic field. B B क्या हो जाएगा? Magnetic field. It's a scalar quantity and SI unit is Weber and CGS is Maxwell and dimensions are ml square T minus 2 A minus 1. In Faraday's law of induction, magnitude of the induced EMF in a circuit is equals to the time rate of change of magnetic flux. Time क्या होगा? Rate of change of magnetic flux through the circuit. So, ET equals to minus d by dt phi t. The average induced EMF equals to minus delta phi upon delta t, which is equals to minus phi 2 minus phi 1 divided by t2 minus t1. And time interval is t equals to t2, t equals to t plus delta t into s. In case of closely wound coils n turns के लिए क्या होगा? Rate of change of flux associated with the each turns is same. Each turns क्या होंगी? Same होंगी. So ET equals to n d by dt phi t. n क्या हो जाएगा? For number of turns. Now for Lenz's law, in Lenz's law the direction of induced EMF and the direction of induced current. Direction induced EMF की and induced current की in a closed circuit is to oppose the cause due to which they are produced. Here like for n direction क्या होगी? Opposes हो जाएगी. Here also direction opposes. Now motional electromotive force. In motional electromotive force, the magnetic field B is perpendicular to the plane of closed conducting loop PSRQ. Here we have PSRQ. ये क्या हो गया? Closed conducting loop होगी हमारे पास. Now magnetic flux enclosed by loop at T equals to Ts. Here phi equals to Bt equals to Ba and Ba equals to BL xt. Here distance between R and Q is x and between R and S is L. ये distance x हो गया, ये distance L हो गया. Then rate of change of this electromotive force will induced an EMF given by minus d by dt phi b equals to minus BL xt. Then we get minus BLV. Induced EMF according to Faraday's second law equals to minus n d phi by dt. N for number of coils equals to n d by dt be A. Induced current, if resistance of its coil is R, then I equals to E by R, then minus n d phi by dt by R equals to I equals to minus n by R d phi by dt. And induced charge is I equals to d phi by dt minus n by R d phi by dt dq. For charge minus n by R dq integrations, we get q equals to minus n by R d phi. Okay, and Faraday's first law and Faraday's of second law. Faraday's second law also known as Lenz's law.